हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8th इंग्लिश की सप्लीमेंट्री बुक इट सो हैपेंड का लेसन 6th, जिसका नाम है द फाइट। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 5th प्रिंसेस सितंबर की समरी, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले पाठ की समरी करेंगे। The Fight is an interesting story written by Ruskin Bond about two boys, Ranji and Suraj. Ranji has moved to Rajpur recently, and one day he discovered a beautiful pool in the middle of a forest. He was surprised to see the translucent water of the pool. It was midsummer and very hot. Seeing the pool, Ranji jumped into the water and enjoyed bathing in the cool water and swam across the pool heartily. The next day he visited the pool again and took another dip in the water. After some time, he noticed that another boy was standing by the pool. As Ranji had a friendly nature, he and the other boy began talking. Ranji asked him to join him in the pool for swimming. However, the other boy did not reciprocate properly and reacted differently. He told Ranji that he did not like talking to strangers and preferred to chase them away from the pool. This angered Ranji and he warned them to beat the other boy. Soon, the argument between them heated up and they started fighting violently. The other boy, named Suraj, slapped Ranji so hard that he started feeling dizzy. They threw punches on each other and fought furiously. Eventually, both of them got tired and decided to continue the fight the following day. That day, when Ranji reached home, he was unable to hide cuts and bruises on his body from his mother, who got worried looking at his condition. She insisted that he stay at home and take a rest, but towards the evening Ranji slipped out of his house and went to the market. He bought a lemonade and a few jalebis to comfort himself. While eating, he noticed Suraj and wanted him to spill the lemonade on him. However, he did nothing. Neither did Suraj. They simply squalled at each other and left the place. The next day, both the boys reached the pool, although Ranji felt weak and lazy to pick up another fight with Suraj. He did not give up. Suraj challenged him to swim across the length of the pool and then they would decide who had a right to swim in the pool. Ranji accepted the challenge as he felt that if he gave up, he would lose the right to swim in the beautiful pool. He dived into the pool at once and completed it effortlessly without even getting tired. This surprised Suraj gently and he wished that he could learn diving from Ranji. When Ranji learned that Suraj was interested in learning diving from him, he readily agreed and decided to teach him to swim. Meanwhile, Suraj, who was a Pahalwan himself, decided to help Ranji learn more wrestling techniques and guide him to become a Pahalwan. They both decided to continue with their lesson by the pool every day. Finally, both of the boys become friends and decided to help each other to learn each other's skills and also keep a check that no one would be allowed in their pool. अब हम करेंगे इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, इज फाइटिंग द ओनली वे ऑफ रिजॉल्विंग डिफरेंसेस ऑफ ओपिनियन? What else can be done to reach a mutually acceptable सेटलमेंट। इसका आंसर है फाइटिंग इज नॉट द ओनली वे टू रिसॉल्व आर डिस्प्यूट। द बेस्ट कोर्स इज टू स्टार्ट अ डायलॉग विद अ कूल हेड। इन केस दे फेल टू एग्री ऑन एनी पॉइंट दे कैन अपॉइंट इन arbiter or middleman acceptable to both. Question 2. Have you ever been in a serious fight only to realize that later that it was unnecessary and futile? Share your experience or views with other frankly and honestly. इसका आंसर है people usually quarrel over minor issues which can be resolved over a cup of tea, such as violent quarrels harm both the parties in a war. No party actually wins, both suffer equally and feel sorry later on. Every person can recall one or two occasions of this type. Question 3. Why do some of us find it necessary to prove that we are better than others? Will you be assumed or annoyed to read the following signs at the back of the car in front of you? Answer. I may be going slow, but I am ahead of you. It is our common weakness to do better than others or to pull somebody down. Some pretended to be a superior to others and try to hurt them. This is, in fact, a symptom of their inferiority complex. We should avoid ego clash. Question first. What is it that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home? Second, Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. First, what does he wish to do? Second, what does he actually do and why? Question third. Ranji is not all eager for a second fight. Why does he go back to the pool then? Fourth, who was the better swimmer? How do you know it? Fifth, what surprises the warrior? Question sixth, now that they are at the pool, why don't they continue the fight? Seventh, Ranji's superiority over the other boy is obvious in the following: physical strength, good diving, his being a fighter, sense of humor, swimming underwater, making a good point, willingness to help, underline the relevant phrases. Question 8. What according to you makes the two adventurers turn into good friends in a matter of minutes? Explain it as you have understood it. इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट. Ranji had several cuts and bruises on his face and arms. He finds it difficult to explain in the injuries at home. Second का आंसर है फर्स्ट. At first Ranji felt like turning away and look the other way. His second thought was to hit the enemy with the lemonade bottle. Second, he actually stands his ground and only scowls at Suraj. Third, Ranji decided to go back to the pool to gain self-respect. If he surrenders now, he will be beaten for all time. Fourth, Ranji was decidedly the better swimmer. We know it when he swims across the pool, as his opponent says he dived for long into the water. Fifth, Ranji executes another perfect dive. Swimming underwater, he circles Suraj and come upon him from behind. The warrior Suraj is surprised to see Ranji's skill. Sixth, at the pool, the two contestants forgot to continue the fight. Their interest shifts to swimming and swinging. Both were tired of fighting, both need each other's help, guidance and support. Suraj wanted to learn diving from Ranji, while Ranji liked the idea of becoming a strong wrestler with the help of Suraj. अब हम करते हैं इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. Ranji discovered a pool in the forest in the season which was option A very hot, option B very cold, option C rainy, option D autumn. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A very hot. Question 2. The water in the pool was option A transparent, option B dirty, option C translucent, option D clear. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C translucent. Question 3. In the Rajputana, Ranji had known option A better pools, option B similar pools, option C muddy pools, option D no pools. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C muddy pools. Question 4. Ranji met Suraj at the pool on the option A first day, option B second day, option C third day, option D fourth day. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी सेकंड डे। क्वेश्चन 5, रांझी वॉज टेकन अबैक एट द ए फ्रेंडलीनेस ऑफ सूरज, बी स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सूरज, सी हॉस्टिलिटी ऑफ सूरज, डी कैपेसिटी ऑफ सूरज टू स्विम। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी हॉस्टिलिटी ऑफ सूरज। क्वेश्चन 6, while Suraj called himself a warrior, Ranji said that he was a option A gentle boy, option B student, option C Rajput, option D fighter। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी फाइटर। क्वेश्चन 7, when the warrior slapped the fighter, A the fighter ran away, B the fighter cried, option C the warrior can run away after it, D the fighter pushed a hard fist into his face। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन डी the fighter pushed a hard fist into his face। Question 8, the fighter and the warrior had a frenzied struggle for about option A 5 minutes, option B 15 minutes, option C 20 minutes, option D half an hour। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A 5 minutes। Question 9, after the fierce struggle both of the boys were option A angry, option B desperate, option C tired, option D excited। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी टायर्ड। क्वेश्चन 10, एट अबाउट रांझी कुड नॉट कंसील दैट द ऑप्शन ए हैड बीन स्विमिंग, बी ही हैड बीन फाइटिंग, सी वॉज बिटन, डी वुड फाइट अगेन। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी हैड बीन फाइटिंग। तो यहाँ पे ये वीडियो ख़त्म होती है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 7 जलेबीज़ करवाऊँगी। तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।